today we're going to go off to a photo shoot organised by a friend of the channel, Jay. Let's go for it. Okay, so obviously we're here to do a photo shoot. Our photographers today are Laura and Ben, and we just set these cars up now to get these shots. We think this is a really cool background and a really nice setup. We'll be obviously moving the cars around, getting individual things. There's some lovely skid marks coming down the road. We didn't actually do them, but they look absolutely epic in some of the photos, which you'll see as we go along. We are going to do a couple of different locations today. Let's see what we get. Okay, so we're off to our next location. Hopefully going to get some rolling shots on the way. If you do want to have a photo shoot, do please hit up Laura and Ben on their Instagrams. Links are down in the description. They do some absolutely amazing photos. Do mention MAD L1fe when you give them a message. Right, let's keep going. I don't mean to worry you, but we have a bit of our local followers, and it's keeping up. Okay, so this is our final location, this awesome church, absolutely amazing backdrop.
The power of Christ compels you! The power of Christ compels you! The power of Christ compels you! I cast you out! Unclean spirit!